Welcome to the Melly
and Shally show.
The show where we unpack the Liqui Moly products, one product at a time.
So, product specific for today will be our Liqui Moly Rat-Ban, and this is the spray to keep the rats away.
The spray to keep rats away. So the Rat-Ban, before it was called Rat-Ban, it was called marten spray. So the name was very confusing because some people use it to lose weight, others it's a swear word. So with eventually getting the opportunity to change the name to something that makes sense. So Liqui Moly Rat-Ban used to be marten spray, exactly the same amazing formula, just a new name that makes sense.
So different products on the market, you get a poison and you get a repellent, and this is a repellent. So please don't confuse them with poisons. And also if you apply this, please ensure that your components or wherever you apply it, there is no poison present.
So we have thousands and thousands of these products go out of our warehouse. The only time that it does not work is exactly as what Shally said now. So if you can think of if you have poison or traces of poison in your engine, in the roof of your house, that will attract the rat because they have to eat it and then look for water and then die. This is not a poison. It is a repellent. So it is going to make sure that the rats do not come into your vehicle or in your roof or in your home or wherever you don't want them to come. It has a hormone in it and it's very safe for birds.
For children.
Yeah, mothers-in-laws, dogs.
For all your pets at home.
Even for the rat. So it does not kill the rat, it just repels it. So to show you how safe this really is, it's got a very bitter taste. But I'm not going to fall over. So it is a repellent, it is not a poison. So please make sure that even if you had poison in your engine or your roof, that you clean that out, that you take all the traces of the poison out before you're going to apply the Rat-Ban. And how do you use it?
Yeah, so some of the questions is how often can I apply this? So during the rainy season, we advise every 14 days, as with this it's a liquid, so it's a substance, and when the rain comes, it's going to wash it away. So it dissipates the effect of this Rat-Ban. So that's why we recommend every 14 days you can spray it, so twice a month. And you can actually use it at home as well, so not only for your vehicle, as we mentioned, to just look where's the entry and access where the rats can come in and spray there. I personally use it at a dog food as well, so I've got a little steel bowl with the dog food, and a lot of times the rat comes from the neighbors or whatever, so I just spray it on the bowl just to make sure the rats stay away from the dog food as well.
So spray the Rat-Ban so that you can send the rats to your neighbors. So very important as well is how do we spray it, and how will I have to spray every single little bit of the engine or every single corner of the roof or the house? No, you can spot spray. When you have that smell, it's not a bad, it's actually quite a nice odor, but you will smell it in your engine. You want to make sure that the rats are not going to climb into your engine to nibble off the wires or nibble off the water pipes. That normally happens when it's very dry. When it's very wet, you're going to have them make little houses all over the house and in the engine. So to avoid that, you're going to apply the Rat-Ban spot spray all the areas that they would climb in, so that you can just repel them and they do not make a home in your car or in your house.
So the easiest way to actually spray it is on your plastics and your rubbers. So that gives you ultimate protection and a lasting effect. There's no need to spray it on the paint or paint surfaces.
So Liqui Moly Rat-Ban, the spray to keep rats away.